Now, this is the WAEC likely questions and answers. If you are sitting for WAEC this year, chemistry, WAEC chemistry this year. Now, I would like you to look at what I'll be showing you now and you pay good attention and follow every instruction. It will really help you. Look at the question we have here, question number 1. Here, Roman figure 1. Define an acid according to the Lewis concept. Roman figure 2. Give one example of a Lewis acid. B, the B part. Explain sorting out in soap preparation. That one is 2 marks. The other one up is 3 marks, okay? The C option. State the reagent and condition necessary for the following conversions. Look at that conversion. That's ethyl, okay? Giving us Ag to C. So silver is the one representing, replacing hydrogen there. You see what type of reaction is that? 2 marks. What is the percentage abundance of an isotope? Another 2 marks. Here now, why does the element with atomic number 18 not have an oxide? Very, very sensitive question. Roman figure 2. Explain why chlorine, okay, 1 oxide has a low melting point. Why does it have a low melting point? Describe a test to distinguish between concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. What are the tests that we can use for that? State 2 differences between an electrochemical cell and an electrolytic cell. How does the trend in ionization energy affect the reactivity of group 1 element? Another one, define the term molecular formula. Before I show you the answers, I want to show you something. This is just number 1 out of how many? 5 questions, okay? Look at the answers down here. These are the answers down here. You can see the first one. Look at this one. This is the B, okay? They said when they asked us the question in B, what did they ask us there? The question says what? Explain sorting out. What did you now call the answer? Is the addition of sodium chloride to the reaction mixture in the soap. I won't want to waste your time on this. No, 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 no. This is just a way I need to help. If you can go to number 2, you see the question. Number 3. Now, what I want to show you now is this. This is the past question of 2022. How did I get it? I will leave the link to this website. It's a WAEC website. I will leave the link in the description below. Now, just click the link, go to it, and you navigate as you like. Let me show you how I started. I just went to chemistry. So I will leave a link. Once you press the link, it will take you directly to this place. Just scroll down. Scroll down, you will see a lot of years. See this one. We asked for school candidate 2023. Just take like 5 or 6 or 7 years, please. Look at the questions, look at the way you are supposed to answer the questions, and you will see WAEC repeating a lot of these questions. They will repeat a lot of these questions. Just take 5 or 7 years. If you can take 10 years, no problem. Study it very, very well, and you will be good to go. Thank you, and God bless.